Here I have Doogee S98, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to go to camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the volume key function. You can set it to volume, to shutter, or to zoom. So let's check out zoom, if it works with the front camera. No, it doesn't. It only takes pictures. I don't know if you will see it. Whoa, yeah. You can use volume keys to zoom in or zoom out. Nice one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.